you guys doing? Where's that thing going?
You're racing.
You guys are running two different races. He went up and you went forwards. And...
Ready? Set. Go. Go.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. That's full throttle.
I can't stand it. There you go. Oh, you got that goofy cover on there. I believe it's to the right.
That's right. It is.
And to the left would be tripod mode.
I still got juice for 2 more races.
Okay.
Yeah. I forgot you had that.
Yeah.
Everybody down, all Wi-Fi transmitters and everything are off.
Yeah, you can just fly it on the microwave.
You don't have to fire up the goggles to fly it.
I got one in the car.
Oh, you got one too?
I'm gonna bring it out
I
later.
can't believe that thing is all battery. Standing right next to you, this side. All right, is me.
And we go wide again? You ready?
Yeah.
You recording?
Yep.
That wind caught me there. Yeah, I saw it, man.
Down in your control.
People are always accusing DJI of that kind of stuff. Yeah, the difference without the battery.
Oh, it is. Built without battery, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Big difference.
I don't know. So this is the feed. This is the monitor here. See? Right. And I'm live streaming this out on.
So we'll get like 1 second of video.
Yeah.
And this thing
Want
takes
some
off.
LEDs on there?
Flying what? What are you
First
flying?
FPV
We got it.
Drone Flight.
What?
We got it, Mike.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right.
Oh.
This is gonna be.
Oh, this has possibility.
Are you plugged in already, Ed?
Hold on.
No. All right, guys, watch out. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Jesus, that moved.
Now how fast will that go, Mike?
About 100. 120 probably.
No,
Really?
100. We don't go.
Yeah, we don't.
9.99.
How fast it will go and how fast I can go are two different things. Yeah. You wrecked 2020 color, Mike. Yeah. Hey, is this Adrian's first time?
Yes.
No excuses now.
You dipped it in, now you got the head in.
Keep your finger on it.
I'm
Trying, Carlos. Give me a second. Let it go.
Leave her later.
Yeah. You got the
There
head
it goes.
in. You gotta go all the way now.
Now you're leaning too much.
Yeah, he's doing
All right,
good
come
now.
back, come back. Slow, relax. This on.
Good job, man.
I kept it up for about what?
Kept it
40
over
seconds?
about 20 seconds.
Just think of it like sex at home.
Jim, you're in front of me.
No, I'm not. I'm over here, bro.
There you go, Adrian.
Oh, where are you going?
Uh-oh. And that's this loss of signal.
You did good. You did good.
Yeah, you did all right, man. I gotta tell you. Good job, bro.
Did good.
That setup
Holy
is great
crap.
if you don't want to have goggles on your face. That setup right there. That is a nice setup if you don't want to have goggles on your
That's
face.
projecting the mirror right here.
Yeah.
Ken, did you see Ken's video? Ken Dono, original Dobo. He's flying, and some lady walked up to him and tapped him on the shoulder to check him. I would have lost my shit.
Yeah.
I would have lost my shit, dude.
They're still trying to race each other.
Get out. Now. You're not supposed to.
He went up. How did he go up?
Uh-oh. Adrian's teaching.
Stop it,
Hey, Michael Wright, anything he said, forget.
Yeah.
You're doing really well. He practices a lot, but you can tell.
How did you lose that bird? It lost signal?
Yeah.
Back to you?
It just said, you're too far, I'm going down. And boom. Because Mitch didn't put that rescue GPS on.
This is coming back to me no matter what I say.
Acro, it's supposed to be 90 or 80. I don't know if it'll do that. So I lost the battery and no problem with the drone. That's why everybody keeps getting different results when you fly with drone. Yeah, you lost that.
That's tripod.
Right. Get that sport mode. Get that
Enable. Now it's in sports mode.
Now it's sports mode,
Well, it was
okay.
same. Okay, now it's in sports mode. Confirmed it was same position. Now see that? Look at that.
Okay.
See that?
Oh,
Look.
there it is.
Now it's
Okay.
in sports mode.
Adrian's all excited about racing.
It is. I haven't done the race.
Bye.
Here we go. You ready?
I just fixed your stuff. You ready?
You're ready.
Alright, hold on.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's pretty close.
That's pretty close.
I'm giving man guys. Alright.
You get to say go, bud.
No, Mike, you do it. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I think
They're pretty damn
they're
close.
pretty damn close.
Yep.
I do. I leave chairs. Why do you get some brand new chair? Really?
I've had to go.
Somewhere in it.
I've had to go back to locations to get batteries. I sat down beside me and then walked away. Oh, there's a nest right on top of this pole too.
Oh, watch that hawk. He's coming after you. He was scaring you away from that nest, dude. He was totally scared
Yeah.
away from that nest.
He's in the nest now.
You to keep away. He's had enough. That bird's had enough. Did you see that? What happened? He was
That was a good shot. Yeah, this is good.
Look out, obstacle avoidance. So.
Is this enough? Yeah. That was Carlos.
Coming back.
No nut shot. He did it.
Right in the nuts.
Oh, look at that. Right through.
I don't mind how it flies. I like secure. But I know I'm going to start.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you're going to have a second to be able to hit that button for
Now Bill owns it. Oh, there it goes.
He gave you the boot.
A weird thing you see guys flying.
Oh, I thought you were going to hit the garbage can.
Right. The wind is. Yeah, the wind is kicking.
That's the one Matt North keeps bouncing off of every pole there is, right?
That was the funniest video I ever seen.
Yeah.
My jeans?
Behave yourself.
The holes in the jeans.
Behave yourself.
I mean, you actually buy them like that, right?
Yeah.
You know what I want? A tall glass of cold milk.
Milk?
Interesting.
That's right.
No, they have marks.
No,
That's your father's is a beer.
Alcoholic beverage.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
you
dude.
don't have that? Okay.
It tastes just like root beer,
no,
but
it's like a
yeah,
bar,
it's
so it's
beer.
fine. It's phenomenal. Yeah. It is.
Do we know what we're having or not yet?
We have
I
it
do.
up there too.
Yeah, okay.
What do you get,
Guys, this is it.
FPV's been great.
Yep.
Hoorah! Hoorah!
So, I'm going to say goodbye to Dan.
Yes. Mitch,
Mike.
thank you very much, sir.
Good to see you. Had a good time.
It was fun, my friend.
Yeah.
It's been awesome.
Yeah, you too, Ed, buddy.
Don't break
Take
them.
care of yourself.
Don't break 'em.
And Jim, you're just out.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
Until we see each other again, you live local.
Till we meet again.
Who is that? Other than we gotta get over here.
Hey, man.
Good to see you, man.